How to log in into Wells Fargo Internet Banking online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can log in into Wells Fargo Internet Banking online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Now open up a browser in your device and in the search bar type in Wells Fargo login, then search for it. From the search results, navigate to the first link that is www.wellsfargo.com that will take you to its official website. Now to log in, you'll be directly taken into login prompt. Here on your left hand side, there is a login prompt. First of all, you have to enter the username linked with your account. Under that, enter your correct password. Make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is a link right here that's going to help you recover your account. So you could click on that, follow the on-screen instructions as well. Once you're done with entering your credential, all you have to do is click on sign on button, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged into your account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.